Hey guys, so this is a 2011 QX56 engine. I got two oil catch cans, one for each side. So this morning I want to take a look at, see how much oil was actually used up over the last 5,000 kilometers between oil changes. So I'll take it apart and see what's actually in there. Maybe something, maybe nothing. So let's give it a go. Just hold on for 1 sec. All right. Well, there seems to be quite a lot in there. So what we can do is just measure it and see what it actually collected. It's kind of a brownish, watery stuff. That's our 15 milliliters. $30. 45. 'A little bit of a sludge on the bottom. So 60 milliliters of oil and various other contaminants that would normally be burning in the engine again have been collected, which is fantastic because this is not going through the system. It's not being reburnt. It's not clogging up my catalytic converter and yeah, messing up the intake valves. So yeah, I'd say that's total success. And if you guys are looking for something to improve the performance of your engine and keep the longevity, I'd say definitely install the oil catch cans. Cheers.